Stocks were mixed early in the U.S. As we look at this morning's data, German GDP came in as expected, but shrunk for the sixth consecutive quarter. The S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index in the U.S. was slightly higher year over year, but month over month was down 0.1% for the second consecutive month. But consumer confidence from the Conference Board in the U.S. was much lower than expected, coming in at 98.3 versus expectations of 102.7. So that turned all U.S. indexes lower on the day. We're looking at the NASDAQ being the weakest of the four right now. Yields in the U.S. down double digits. So that means that the price of the yield contracts and the CME, or I should say the Treasury contracts, are higher. The 10-year and 30-year are both down about 10 basis points on the yield side. We had Bundesbank President Joachim Nagel speak early this morning, and he stated the European Central Bank is approaching a new regime where monetary policy will no longer constrain the economy, and that the ECB may reach its 2% inflation target by mid-year. But he also said further rate cuts are possible, they'd be data dependent, and that the German economy is suffering from stubborn stagnation. So if inflation doesn't go lower in Germany, that could be stagflation, which is not good. Commodities are pausing right now. Gold is down a little more than a third of 1%. Silver's down about a half of 1%. Crude oil is down 2 of the last 3 sessions now, with today being lower by about 0.6%. Only copper was higher early, but it turned negative after that consumer confidence data. Copper also made a lower low for the 5th consecutive session today. Now looking ahead, Michael Barr, the Fed Vice Chair for Supervision, is speaking. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic will speak tomorrow. Earnings today after the closing bell, 60 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting, including Intuit, Workday, First Solar, and Keysight Technologies. Tomorrow before the open, another 54 companies with over $1 billion in market cap are reporting, including TJX, Lowe's, Anheuser-Busch, Ambev, Stellantis, and United Therapeutics. Data tonight, we have a 5-year note auction in the U.S., and we have Japanese core CPI year over year being reported. Tomorrow, German GfK consumer climate and new home sales figures in the U.S.